Hey guys, Josh from DroneSense here, coming to show you a brand new feature that a lot of you have been asking for quite some time, and that is the ability to get notifications when there is a live stream available for viewing. And so I'm going to show you how to set that up today. So what you're looking at right now is we are in Operations Hub. I've got my mission list right here. I'm going to click the little info button next to my mission, and you'll see we have this new menu here across the top that says notifications. I'm going to go into notifications. I'm going to click edit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to toggle this little mission notifications toggle on. Now you'll see I have a couple of different trigger points. I can have this notification go out when the drone takes off, or I can have it go off as soon as the drone joins a mission. So I'm going to set it to as soon as the broadcast starts to get a notification. And then here in the notification list, you'll see I have a couple options as well. I can select individual contacts from the account, or I also have the ability to create contact groups. And then I can also set my limit on notifications. So I want to talk about contact groups just really quick here. So I'm going to submit edits. Over here on the right hand side, you'll see we have another new icon. This is our contacts manager. I'm going to create a new group. I'll call this command staff. And then under my group here, I'm going to start adding members. Who do I want to get notified? And again, no limit to how many of these contacts you can select. So we'll select a few of them there. Put myself in here, update. And now I'm going to come back over here to that mission, and under notifications, I'm going to add my contact group of command staff. So now anytime there is a live feed available, all of the people within that group will either get an email notification, a text notification, or both, depending on how they have their profile set up. So right now, yes, they will have to be a member on your account, and they will have to have notifications turned on, but that's also a very simple process. So if I jump up here to my individual profile, you can see I have email notifications and text notifications enabled. If I need to change that for someone else, come into our members and teams. We can click on an individual user, edit details, and I'm going to turn text notifications on for Ryan as well so that I can really annoy him today as I'm shooting this video. Click Save. Jump back into Operations Hub. Again, this is all active now. So anytime a drone is available, my command staff is going to get an email and a text message letting them know that there is a live stream available for them to view. But it gets better. If you had set up magic link sharing, the link in the email and the link they receive in the text message, they will simply be able to click and view the live stream. There will be no login prompts or anything. So this is a great new feature we've rolled out. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to shoot me an email, joshua@dronesense.com, and we'll get you squared away. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.